Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet cushion cover designs, different color, different designs and ideas in front of you. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always attractive and stylish. If you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designer as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet cushion cover designs and others like crochet sofa cover designs, bed sheet cover designs, curtain designs, table cover designs also. So dear friends, other material like crochet women, long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless dresses, off shoulder dresses, crochet women scarf designs, crochet women bodycon dresses, garter dresses, crochet women skirt designs, and flower designs, crochet women circular jacket design, open jacket design, cardigan designs also, blouse also. So dear friends, crochet jewelry like crochet necklace, earring designs and bracelet designs, and also feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs also. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So dear friends, don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me.